This is your library portal, which has all the resources for learning and research. You can sign in using the button on the top right of your screen. Enter your official college email ID and password to sign in. The first time you log in, you will be prompted to change your password. This action needs to be done only once. You can also save your password for easy login next time. So this is your college's personalized digital library homepage. Your Nimbus library contains all your subscribed and open access ebooks and journals. Everything about your library is customized, including the look, feel, and content. This is your hub for all the digital resources. All resources are available for a single login. You can access content from any publisher, and Nimbus Off-Campus Access Facility ensures you can access all the content anytime from wherever you are. The homepage displays content in various ways. Source lists all the publishers and packages in your library. Institutional content like question papers are organized into sections so they are easy to find. You can also view the content by content like ebooks and videos. You can also access courses like NPTEL and premium subscription of ebooks when applicable. Nimbus Off-Campus Access or Remote Access ensures that you can access all the content at any time from wherever you are. This page displays all the publishers that your college has subscribed to. You will not need to log in multiple times for each publisher's website. Simply click on the desired publisher through this remote access page and you will be redirected to the publisher's page. On the top of your screen, there is a universal search bar, a Google-like search engine for your college. Simply type in a keyword to perform a one-click search across the entire library. You can also specify whether you want to search for a title, author, or everything. The results page has tabs for different kinds of content. eCatalog displays journals and books. You can refine the results with the filters on the left of the screen. These are source, access type, whether the content is subscribed or open, content type, SJR rank, author, publication year, and more. The Research tab displays journal articles. And the Multimedia tab has videos, presentations, and news matching your search with similar filter options. These filters enable you to find the right content faster. To read any article, click the button that says Read. This will open the full text article in a new window. You can also save it in My Library for later reference. To find specific research articles, your library has a powerful tool called Research Plus. Research Plus is an advanced search where you can specify exactly which resource you want to search and enter multiple search parameters for more focused results. For quick reference, multiple search tips have been provided on the right of your screen. Start by selecting the resource you want to search, and the search will be performed within the selected resources. Scroll down to enter your query. Here you can select what part of the document or field you want to search and enter the keywords. Click on Go once you've entered all the parameters. The results page will show content as per your specified resources, filters, and keyword. Click on Get More to find more matching results. And you can further search, filter, and sort the results to get your desired content. As always, you can read the full text article or save it for later use. Another way to view all your resources is the e-catalog drop-down. Here you can browse your subscribed and open e-resources by source, by content type, or an A to Z list. Here you can see a comprehensive list of all the content in your library via source and content type. These will show you ebooks, case studies, news, journals, magazines, etc. Under the Explore tab, you can view your entire institutional repository, documents, everything that you have uploaded, and also access courses like NPTEL and premium ebooks when applicable. So these are a few of the most useful tools for users to make the most of your digital library. As you can see, Nimbus is a single platform through which all the students and faculty can access the institutional e-resources at one place from anywhere.